So my department was HR and my direct mentor was the CHRO himself, and I had the task of talent acquisition. I think it was very good because what we learn from the books is totally different than what we actually learn in the practical life. The book thing is very easy, but when you do it in the practical thing, it is very difficult, because screening a resume, sourcing a resume is very difficult job. You get a responsibility and duty for a person. To source that person is a very tough thing, and to learn that is a very good experience which I got from Cadila. One of my biggest achievement in this 2 months long internship was to close down a high level profile in which my task was from scratch. That is to identify the job roles, responsibilities, to screen the CVs, then to conduct telephonic interviews, shortlisting the CVs, and then finally conducting and assisting the interviews with the CHRO, and then when the offer, then finally to make the offer and to update the MIS and joining dates and everything.